I'm Jonny Bone. I'm the head chef at Core by Clare Smyth in London. The food here at Core is natural, it's vegetable focused, it's things that we love to eat and that we enjoy, and I think that's one of the biggest parts of it. We work with fantastic produce, and we're also working with the stories that surround those amazing producers and produce. That's the enjoyment. We're on a journey of continuously learning. I think a lot of the inspiration for our food at Core starts with produce, understanding and learning about that product, where it comes from, its significance in our history. Since we opened in 2017, the food has changed a lot. That's through refining mainly on everything that we did. The flavours are there, we know what we love, we know what people enjoy, and then we've moved on to make it unique, make it special, and looking at these fantastic things that we have in this country and turning around and making them the star of the show. I think it's become its own style. We've kind of moved into Core's style at this moment in time. A dish we're doing at the moment at Core is, we can start with one of our snacks, which is our lobster roll. And for me, this was a play on a British classic that you might get at the seaside in different forms, and taking it and just enjoying working with the beautiful produce we have, making it delicate, small, refined, and serving to a guest so that it will give them that nostalgic feeling of being in the beach in the UK. The lobster roll is a small brioche style bun made with lobster stock. It's filled with lobster, fennel and a little bit of shallot, and then topped with caviar and some coastal herbs and a little bit of vinaigrette across the top. Another dish that is very unique to Core, and that's our Lemon Verbena. It's a series of meringues. One is a dome on the centre, at the bottom, sorry, and then it has a creme pâtissier with verbena. You've got pears in there, and then lots of verbena. And it's dressed in a kind of spiral, and it is very much a play on an Eton mess, which is very much a classic British dessert. And we change it through the seasons, and we've got some beautiful variations that we really love. One of them is obviously the original pear, which it is at the moment. Then we move into wild strawberry, and we also do a cherry and almond. I don't know if I have a favourite season. I think produce individually is things that I look forward to, not just a time of year, which again I really love. I don't think there's always something to look forward to, and I don't think it's just one time of year.